Hello everybody, welcome to this program. My name is Tesfaye. You can see my background information if you want to know more about me. I am an IT professional, a teacher, and also working as a data analyst at the moment. I'm happy to go through with you through this Java code. This course is both an introductory and a middle level course so that you can learn more, expect more from this, either in concept development and also coding. So this is the course outline I'm going to cover, and there are more to this list that we are going to through with you. So in the introduction part, we are going to things like bringing the concept of Java as object programming to you. But obviously that we're going to set up the environment. I'm going to use Eclipse for this one. So we're going to set up Eclipse environment. We're going to start our new coding exercise, first coding exercise, and then we're going to see some simple outputs like the common hello world string output, some mathematical, and also some output that's very handy to warm you up. We also see how comment is and how we name names, classes, and all other variables in Java in general, so that you can follow up with the agreed upon naming convention that the professionals use. So in part introduction that we're going to see that, and then we go to the second, the variables. This is a very important concept in any programming. You define variables. Variables are anything that you act upon in a code, or in Java or any other programming language. So variables, for example, if you want to add two numbers, you can easily just add those two numbers, or you can just define differently, like, okay, this is an integer and it is called x, and this is another integer, it is called y, and then you can simply add y to give a y another number and x another number, and just in your calculation just x plus y. Then x plus y will be added because you already defined as a variable and assigned a number to it. So lots of variables in there. We will see string variables, dates, booleans, and lots of variables, and also the data types that under the data types. These data types could be numbers, could be any other stuff. So we will see in those, and then we easily go by mathematical operations that we know. Just I'd say a few of it. In mathematical operations that will more warm you up. Your coding exercise is very nice, it's very easy, and then we go through mathematical operators, string operators on the fifths, and the logical comparison operators and Boolean operators. We go operators, lots of these operators in different sections, so we have very clear but multiple examples for each one of those. So we go, then after that we go to conditional statements. We will see like the very common popular if statement in Java or in other, actually it is in our natural language as well. So it's like case statements, loop statements, and we go to the control flows like for loops and while loops and do while loops and so on. And then after this more of introductory areas that will warm you up and you motivate you to go for more coding. It's very nice, very ultimate beginners level. And then we go to the type of input in Java, whether user input or whether it is from input from the code itself, how we input and how we manipulate those systems. And then we go to arrays. We have string arrays and number arrays, integer arrays. These are what's called complex data types. But we see how we manipulate arrays. Arrays are lists, actually, like list of numbers, for example, 1 to 10 grouped as 1, or any names of fruits grouped as 1. We call them as arrays. So we will see those with examples, and we use some manipulations on them. And next we will go ahead with methods or functions. In different programs it's called methods or functions. So it's like use both. So methods, like in Java, what are mathematical methods or functions we use? We already know by this time some of them, because we go through different mathematical operations, but we will go which are very popular in Java, and then write codes to use those mathematical operations. There are also string operations. Strings are words, characters. They're called strings. So there are functions or methods that we use to manipulate strings as well. So we will see multiple examples of this and many functions of string and mathematical operations, and we will see in different examples. Date functions as well. We have date functions different from string and mathematical operations, mathematical functions. We will see those, how we manipulate date in Java. And then these methods or functions could be defined by us, or also lots of them are also in the Java package. So we will see how we can access them, how we can use, or how we can create our own methods as well in there. And we come to the object-oriented programming, OPP. So what is object programming? We will see those object programming concepts in detail, and I will code some examples and on how to use object-oriented programming in Java. We will see the concept plus the code for those. And then we come to the keywords and modifiers, access modifiers in Java. Very important in object-oriented programming, and also in other programs. There are words like static, public, final, and so on. We will see all access modifiers and why they are used, why they are important, and why we need them in object-oriented programming as well. We will see those, we will understand those. In addition to this, there are other very important concepts in Java that we need to know. If we don't understand those, it's really hard to understand Java. So these are like inheritance. What is inheritance in Java? How we can use it? We will already by this time have seen some in object-oriented programming, but we will see more in there. In the important concepts. Some concepts like encapsulations. There are words like polymorphism. And we will see this, and we will also code at least one or two examples of the codes where we use this. These are 18 sections, could expand, could maybe shrink, I don't know. But there are about 100 videos in this, about 80 to 100 videos I am planning to include in this. So I'm sure this course is a dynamic course. That's why I'm saying I am not sure by the time you start. It could be 80 by the time you are in the program halfway. It could be updated to 100. So I will update this program always update with the code, always update with the new technology, with the new thoughts, and with any idea and any concept that comes from you as well. And you did a very big decision, a very correct decision in following this course, and I'm happy that you are here. And start from the beginning, follow, and go to the end of the program, and you will be ready to code Java. The other thing I put here is that I followed a simple step of human learning, that we can go from simple to medium and to difficult concepts, so that we can learn very easily and we benefit from the program. And also while doing this, there are motivational codes and exercises you do. And also I promise every code I code in this course is attached to each one of these sections as a downloadable course, so that you can download and you can exercise yourself in your own time. Bye bye.